Head with Bertha bearing down on her. This is Thursday morning. This is what the sea looks like. The storm is still about 300 miles south of Wilmington. They've got hurricane warnings up here. Haven't told us we had to evacuate yet, so we're just kind of sticking tight. Amazing. The sea has been whipped into a froth. Red flags are up, saying we can't go swimming. Too bad. Doggone, I had big plans today. Go swimming. It's not too windy yet. Just a little bit of a breeze blowing off of the ocean. A little bit of rain too. A little light rain. A little cool too. We'll give you further reports later on. It's about 8:30 now, 8:45, I guess, something like that. On down the beach. Close-up views of the waves. There's some brave souls out to the ocean. They said the seas are about 11 feet down off of Wilmington. Expected to crest about 15 feet, I guess. Anyway, give you a further report later on. Here we are, about 12:30 on Thursday. So you can see it's quite a bit brighter outside now. Ocean still looks rather angry. We just heard they pushed back. We're going to have another meeting at 1:30 with the people here at Nags Head to see whether they're going to evacuate Nags Head and Kitty Hawk, Kildover Hills, and all that good stuff. We're kind of hanging out here waiting to see what's going to happen. And then we'll make a decision what we're going to do. I guess at least we may go over to Linda Richards' cottage and spend the rest of the weekend till Saturday. So we can check in down due south and wait out the storm. See what happens. But the sun is out. Wind is blowing about 25 miles an hour, I think, something like that. A lot of big waves. No swimming. See a red flag. Saw that early this morning. Almost everybody's gone out of our building here except for us. A lot of people leaving. Went by Tanya's Beach House Hotel this morning. Everybody's checked out of there. There's a lonely couple walking down the beach. We saw a couple news crews doing interviews out on the beach this morning. Sure, I took a walk. Now, of course, the news people all come to camp out, see what's going on. I'll give another report later. That's it for now. So, here we are. Still hanging out at the beach, waiting for old Bertha to show up. It's now about 10 minutes to 3, Thursday afternoon still. They finally told us that it's a mandatory evacuation, that you should get off the island by sunset tonight. But we decided that we're going to stick around. As a matter of fact, we're going to stick around here at High Dunes. See how things go through the night. If things get too bad, we're going to head on over to Linda Richards' cottage. But as you can see, things are bright here still. Blue sky. Sunny. Still a bit breezy, but not too bad. Waiting for things to happen. See what's going on. More white surf. Waves don't look like they're getting really a whole lot bigger, but just yet anyway. A lot of news crews are here. We just got back from doing a little shopping. Fox News, ABC, CBS, they're all down here at the Holiday Inn, which is that light colored building there in the distance. They're all camped out down there. So Guess they'll be doing news reports throughout the night and tomorrow and all that good stuff. So, as a matter of fact, you can see one of their satellite dishes right there. And we'll be giving you up-to-date reports as well, live, here on Armstrong News. Anyway, give you another report a little bit later. Well, here we are. Friday morning, about 7:30. Bertha's still hanging off the coast down around Myrtle Beach. Expecting to make landfall about noon. Very minimal hurricane now. Had some rain squalls here this morning. You see the ocean isn't very much different than it was yesterday. Sprinkled a little bit of rain here, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time out. But still not a whole lot going on other than some rain. Not much of a breeze. A little warmer than it was yesterday though. Some angry looking clouds down off the horizon towards the south. Southeast, I guess. Still hanging out here. I'll get some more reports a little bit later on. Bye for now. And here we are on the other side of the building. As you can see, not a whole lot of people around here. Not at all. A few vehicles around. The camera keeps cutting off because the battery's about gone. So I think I'll wrap up for now and give you some reports later on. Look at those ominous clouds. Here we are, Friday afternoon. You can hear the rain. Now let me let you take a look at the rain. It is pouring down. So one of the squalls from Bertha coming in, I think. Wind's probably blowing a little bit, but at different times it blows a little bit more than others. But it was really pouring down there for a few minutes. Just some people going home. Sorry folks. Bertha kind of screwed things up this week. Ouch. Just backed into a wall. You see that pool over there? It's almost completely full, running over the edge. Like I said before, we're the only ones still here in our set of condominiums, looks like. I'll give you a look from the other side of the building. I'm standing on the inside of the condominium here now because the rain's blowing in from the ocean. Can't see too well through this door, I know, but anyway, there's the ocean still churning. Sure, and I walked out there early this morning, didn't see anybody on the beach at all. Not a single solitary soul. I think we're focusing on the raindrops on the glass now instead of the ocean itself. Give you another report later on. Here we are. Here's Sarah.
Dad, don't! Dad, don't!
There goes Sarah. Goodbye, Sarah. There's Sherry, the nut eater. We're all kind of getting a little bit of cabin fever here. Hi, Sarah.
Bye, Dad.
Goodbye, Sarah. Anyway, Heather's in there taking a nap. See you later. Well, here we are at about 5 o'clock Friday evening. Things are starting to get a little more interesting here. Wind's starting to pick up, rain's starting to pick up. As you can see, the ocean's being whipped to a froth. Bertha is inland now, started heading up the eastern side of Carolina. So the wind's probably blowing about 30 miles an hour here now, I guess, something like that. And we're just waiting for it to come. report back later. Well, here we are about 7:30 Friday night. As you can feel, the wind is starting to pick up. You can hear the wind is starting to pick up. The ocean is really whipping around now. The wind's probably blowing about 30-35 miles an hour. Something like that. It's more steady. The rain is becoming more harder, I guess, when it does rain. Right now it's not raining. We're still here, kind of waiting things out. Still the gusts of the wind. The storm now is about 200 miles, or I guess the eye of Bertha is about 200 miles south of Norfolk. Heading up, going to be heading up to the west of us here on the Outer Banks. They expect the worst of the storm to be here about 10-11 o'clock tonight. Unless it picks up speed, which at that point it may be earlier tonight. So I don't know how much I'll be able to show you tonight. It's being dark outside. This is what it looks like right now. Like I said, it's about 7:30. Waves are really whipping out there. Talk to you later. So here we are, 8 o'clock Friday night. I don't know how well you can see the rain coming down here, but it is really coming down in sheets, and it's going almost horizontal. Here's the group over here. Oh, good. That's good. Heather, I got you only from the head up. Don't worry.
Where the hurricanes to stay.
Heather doesn't want to be here, do you, Heather? What do you think about all this?
Let's click our heels 3 times. There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
I think we ought to send them out. I think we ought to send them out to the parking lot to see exactly how hard the wind is blowing. One of y'all go downstairs in the parking lot so we can see how hard the wind is blowing.
We'll get all wet and everything.
Well, say goodbye to the Hurricane Sisters.
I will. Bye, Bertha. Big butt Bertha, go home. Do you want me to for real?
There goes Mr. Policeman.
Yeah, go, Sarah, go. Go. No.
Here we are the morning after Bertha. It's about 7:30 Saturday morning. As you can see, the ocean has calmed down quite a bit. Everything's pretty much still intact. The pool is definitely full. Had quite a bit of rain last night. But I don't see any damage around anywhere. And the wind didn't really blow all that bad. It started blowing last night. We woke up about 2:30. And the eye of the storm had passed by us because the wind had shifted out of the southwest instead of the south or southeast. It was blowing pretty hard then, but the rain is gone. They took off the tornado watch, and I think most of it was done at that point. But we're waiting for these clouds to clear out so we can have another week at the beach. Thank the Lord for letting Bertha go without damaging too much around here. Signing off for now. Well, I missed one thing. There's some shingles down here by the pool. I'm not sure which building it blew off of. It could have blew off our building here that we're staying in. Or maybe this building over here. But more than likely it probably blew off ours, or one next to ours on the other side. So there was a little bit of damage, but not too bad.